Hey, what's up? I'm Mark and this is Lifestyle Savant. In today's video, I want to explain why being comfortable with discomfort is the most important factor in you getting success. And I'm going to give you 3 different exercises that you can do on a daily basis to try to overcome your discomfort. Let's get right into it. Being successful takes a lot of hard work. And when you're looking at someone who's successful, what you don't often see is all the challenges they had to overcome to get there. And the hardest thing, and the reason why a lot of people aren't successful, is because they have a hard time handling discomfort. Discomfort is hard, it pushes back, it makes things challenging. But what makes a successful person, and what's going to make your side hustle successful, is overcoming that challenge, overcoming that discomfort. What I'd like to do is give you 3 exercises that are going to help you to practice overcoming discomfort. Overcoming discomfort is not something you just snap fingers and start doing. It takes practice. Your brain has to get used to being in that state of discomfort and becoming more and more comfortable. And the more you practice it, the more comfortable you're going to get. The first exercise that you can do in order to get comfortable with being discomfort is something I got from Tim Ferriss in the 4-Hour Workweek. Every time you go somewhere to buy something, ask for 10% off. Very simple, but surprisingly difficult. Every time you get a cup of coffee at Starbucks, ask for 10% off. Don't tell them why. Just say, yeah, I'd like to have 10% off. This is something that's surprisingly difficult, but it's a good way of gearing up your brain to get comfortable with discomfort. And you might save a few bucks in the process. The second exercise that you can do to get comfortable with discomfort is join a local group with nobody that you've ever met before. It's really easy to find on Facebook or Google. Find a local group of people that are similarly minded or interested in a similar topic. Then you don't know anyone, and when you go, you want to meet 5 new people. When you leave that meeting, you want to know 5 new people. And this is just going to help you to be more comfortable talking with new people, introducing yourself, getting contact information. Go to that new group, meet 5 new people. The third exercise I want you to do is every day tell at least 1 new person about your side hustle. Tell at least 1 new person about the project that you're working on every day. This will be a little bit uncomfortable at first, but as you keep telling someone every day, boom, 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 you're going to become more and more comfortable. And not only are you going to be potentially building up your network of potential clients and consumers, but you're also going to be improving your elevator pitch, improving your mission statement, improving the content that you're creating. I hope you liked today's video, and I hope that you're going to practice these in order to be more comfortable with discomfort. That is the key, so get after it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.